Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to the 187 of you guys that are subscribed to my channel. I appreciate all the love. Thank you guys. I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know if you guys saw my last post on my Instagram and on my last video here. I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that. You guys saw by the title of this video, I'm going to be picking up an exhaust today. I don't know if I'm going to install it. Make sure you guys, stay sanitized, wash your hands. Eric said he's going to start vlogging for you guys. I'm still waiting for a video. I don't know where the video is at. What is this? A big cup, nigga? That's a fat nigga shit. You wearing a Supra shirt? Yeah. You don't even drive a Supra.
Dude, look at that Miata.
Megan Racing. These are the lower downpipes right here, guys. And then this is the MBRP exhaust right there. Loaded up in the trunk. Shout out to DB2 here. This is the whole exhaust right here, guys. The MBRP exhaust with the lower downpipes. I don't know if we're gonna install it today. Probably not. But yeah, if you guys want to give DB2 here a follow on Instagram, go ahead and give him a follow, guys. He does tuning for he's basically a licensed tuner with EQ Tech. So he does FRSs, VRs, BQs, GTRs, yeah, whatever you guys need here. Make sure you guys hit him up for that. And again, shout out to DB2 for hooking me up with this hella of a good price. Yo, Eric, what are we doing at the mall right now?
Buying some black Air Force Ones.
I don't see you wearing them, dog. You don't? Oh, never mind. Oh, guys, it's literally dead in here. There's like no stores opened up and shit.
We're going on an adventure, bro.
I feel like we literally just snuck in here at nighttime when like everything's closed type shit. Yo, this mall is really dead. Sheesh. No, dude, I don't want a pretzel. Stay home, stay safe. Make sure you guys always, sanitize yourselves, wash your hands. I don't want you guys getting the coronavirus. Wow, really? My favorite store is closed, bro. I can't even go in there and get some fucking bras.
It's like there's a worldwide pandemic.
Rate this Vatos flow 1 through 69.
Look, it's ever. Oh, you got the corona now, dude. Fuck. I don't know why, but every time I'm filming, Eric decides it's a good time to eat. Alright, guys, so we picked up my exhaust already. We're gonna go home right now, probably. If not, we're gonna hit up a Walmart because I need to buy some Xbox Live. Your boy actually ran out of Live.
One way, nigga.
No, I know. Wow. It's currently the next day here. We got Eric at the cribbo. We got Fahaz GT over here. We're over here working on the exhaust right now. We got it laid off on the ground. We just took off the stock exhaust already, so it's just laying over here on the ground. Brittany survived 07. You'll survive today.
You beat Brittany, yo.
Look how skinny these pipes are. What the hell? That's like a 2-inch. This is way
Wait, no, what do you mean?
bigger.
Yeah, why are you putting it on?
Yo, guys, we're about to start the car up right now for you guys. Hey, Fahad, can you do me a favor? Can you go ahead and start up the Q just so the vlog can hear it, how it sounds without the exhaust? Because I'm going to show you guys a quick clip of how the car sounds like without an exhaust. Just open header, basically. Yeah, here.
Alright, let's hear it.
Yo, guys, we just got done with the exhaust. We didn't do the downpipes only because we ran out of time and it's already dark, so we just gave up on that. But we did do the whole catback now. So what we're gonna do right now is go ahead and give you guys a first cold start so you guys go ahead and hear it. Wow.
I'll back it out.
Yeah. Dude, it sounds good.
It sounds good.
Yeah, give it up to like 3,000. Fuck. It's nighttime now. We just got done with the exhaust, as you guys saw. I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs right now so you guys can hear the exhaust. We weren't able to install the lower downpipes just because it got really late outside and we're not trying to be a hooper all night. I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 200 subscribers, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that. But what I could do as well is toss those lower downpipes or Megan Racing and the giveaway for a chance for you guys to win. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that. But I'm also doing other stuff as well. We gotta get back to you guys, so make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that. I do want to make it a little bit louder, so what I'm thinking of doing is going just full race downpipes, which is lower downpipes and upper downpipes all in one piece. So I think I'm gonna pick that up soon here. Eventually, probably get some intakes, heat exchanger, and then get it tuned. I might go E85 as well, to give you guys a couple revs. Yo guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and make sure you guys subscribe so you guys don't miss out on the giveaway. But hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like I said, I tried to get the the install, but it was kind of hard to film and like show you guys and like do the exhaust at the same time. Look out for the next video, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, and Eric has some shit coming for the Supra too. Make sure you guys go follow Eric on Instagram here. He has a nice ass Supra and he has a lot of stuff planned for it. And you guys will see a lot of videos of the Supra here on my channel as well. So look out for that. But other than that, guys, it's been real, and I'm out. Peace.